Well, it's springtime and it's time to get all the small engines tuned up and ready to go. And this is a tiller that I've had for many years, and I keep it in the barn. And as you can see, some rat has chewed off the end of the Magneto. And I actually could make it fit, but I'm going to replace it with a new Magneto that is solid state. So that gets rid of the points and condenser also. All right, let's get this shroud off and get it changed out. Now before I take this off, as you can see, by opening up the shroud, might get a little extra length. And I could probably put a boot on here. You can go get these at the automotive store. You can get a spark plug boot and just replace this, and I would probably, chances are, be okay. But while I've got it open, this new one was, I think, about $30. Alright, there's a wire on the back of it. This one appears to actually be a solid state unit also. While I've got it off, I'm going to go ahead and take some sandpaper and clean up this flywheel. There, it's got it nice and smooth. Alright, so here's my new one. It looks to be a match. I'll put a link to this one in the description. I think it was about $30. And, you know, of course I'll have to make sure that whatever Magneto you get fits your particular machine. Okay, I'm going to hook that wire back up. Now you want to turn the flywheel. See how there's a notch right here? You want to turn the flywheel till you've got an area that's consistent across like that. And to space this, we're going to set a double thickness of just lightweight copy paper on there. That'll usually give you about 6 or 7 thousandths gap. This is labeled this side out. I want to put this air deflector back on that I took off the other one. Now this one doesn't have a little stud to help hold it, so hopefully it'll stay in place. So I'm just going to push down on that a little bit and tighten everything up. Now these are little bolts, so you could over tighten them and break them, so be careful. Okay, I'm going to get this spark plug cleaned up and I'll be right back. Now we just pull that paper out. And we're not dragging anywhere, so we should be good. Okay, I got my spark plug cleaned up. It was a little rusty up here on top. You know, I find that on equipment like this, I almost never change the spark plug. It seems like that's really never the issue. How about you? You know, there's some people that change a spark plug every year, and I just really don't ever do that. Alright, I put some gas in it. As you can see, you know, these stupid new EPA gas cans, I've spilled gas everywhere. You know, the old ones that they've taken away from us, you never spilled any gas. Anyway, alright, let's see if we can get her started. Alright, this thing probably hadn't been started in 5 years or more, and I put some gas in the tank. I haven't put any gas, I didn't pour any gas down in it or anything like that, so, you know, the carburetor I'm sure is empty, so it's going to take a minute, but let's see. I got it choked. Okay, so I'm going to put a little starter fluid in here. Now, you know, nowadays people seem to act like the first time you use this you're going to ruin an engine, but I've been using it my whole life with no problems. Let's see how we go. Okay, so I have spark. My Magneto's working. Now I got to work on fuel. Okay, well that's got the Magneto fixed in this, and in the next video we will get the carburetor replaced.